Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm gonna share with you, in my opinion, what's the #1 rule when it comes to making money online, even making money as an entrepreneur. What's the #1 rule? You ready? The #1 rule is there are no rules. Right? There are no rules to this game. And I'm gonna be honest, I got this idea to do this video from another YouTuber who was saying something similar, but it's something I've heard several times. And what I mean by there are no rules when it comes to making money online is when people tell you this is how to do, to be successful. You follow this path, you do this, and this. Yeah, some of them things can help you get to where you want to go, but every path is different. And you should expect your path to success to be different than somebody else who achieved the same kind of success, but they probably just went about it a different way. All right. Now, there are fundamentals, right, to being successful when it comes to making money online or other ventures. Yes, that's true. But the idea that you have to stick to this, this set formula, you have to be on this website, you have to promote this kind of product, that's all BS. You have to post this amount of content every week. You got to use these types of titles all the time. Like all of that stuff, guys, it can play a part here and there, but that's not going to be the thing that ultimately gets you to where you want to be. Why? If you don't believe me, ask yourself. Look at some of the most successful people, right? Especially when it comes to the make money online world. Look at how they got successful. A lot of them, they all didn't take the same, course, right? They all didn't, go to the same school or whatever. They all have different paths to their success, right? So think about it. I'm sure you probably know a famous TikToker, right? Somebody making a killing on TikTok. And you go back and you see like, well, how did they get so popular on TikTok? And you go back and you really can't even figure it out. You're looking, you say to yourself, damn, I do the same type of videos, right? How come I don't have 1 million subscribers? I don't understand it, right? Because they did different things. And then you try to look back and you say, okay, well, how often did they post on TikTok? All right. Well, what kind of content, how did they title their videos? Right. And there's no real rhyme or reason. It's just, right. So there's no rules to that. And a lot of these people who are super successful when it comes to, making money online or selling products or whatever, like they just did it. Right? They just took action. They just figured it out. They tried several different things. And then once something started to gain some traction, they just ran with it. That's what most people do. They try different things, different methods, strategies. And then when something catches, they run with it. That's the key. Whenever you're trying different things, once you get something, go with it. A lot of people, they'll try all these different methods. One starts to take off, and then what do? They start trying other methods, and they start ignoring the things that help them get to where they're going. Guys, if you don't believe me, just do your own research. YouTubers, look at some of the most successful YouTubers, right? You can't really trace exactly what they did, right? You could take 10 YouTubers, 10 successful YouTubers, right? And you look at how they post. I guarantee you, they all post. They all use different types of titles. They got different types of videos. Their descriptions don't look nothing alike. How they tag their videos aren't the same, right? But they're all successful. So you should take that as a positive sign to let you know that your way is on the way. You know what I mean? You just got to find what works for you, right? Find what works for you because it is out there. You just have to take the time, figure it out, and you will get that success. Just keep on pushing. All right. Now, if you want to know what is helping me reach my financial goals and what could potentially help you reach yours, you can watch this video right here.